Welcome to our language learning series. Today, we're learning German about German greetings. Let's begin.
Hallo,
Repeat after me.
hallo, hallo.
In English. Hello. In Telugu.
Hallo,
Next word.
guten Morgen,
Repeat after me.
guten Morgen, guten Morgen.
In English. Good morning. In Telugu.
śubhōdayam.
Next word.
Guten Tag,
Repeat after me.
guten Tag, guten Tag.
In English. Good day. In Telugu.
శుభదినం.
Wonderful. Next word.
Guten Abend,
Repeat after me.
guten Abend, guten Abend.
In English. Good evening. In Telugu.
శుభ సాయంత్రం.
Next word.
Gute Nacht,
Repeat after me.
gute Nacht, gute Nacht.
In English. Good night. In Telugu.
శుభరాత్రి.
Next word.
Tschüss,
Repeat after me.
tschüss, tschüss.
In English. Bye. In Telugu.
వీడ్కోలు.
You are doing great. Next word.
Wie geht's?
Repeat after me.
Wie geht's? Wie geht's?
In English. How are you? In Telugu.
మీరు ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
Next word.
Danke,
Repeat after me.
danke, danke.
In English. Thank you. In Telugu.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
Next word.
Bitte,
Repeat after me.
bitte, bitte.
In English. Please, you're welcome. In Telugu.
దయచేసి స్వాగతం.
Keep it up. Next word.
Entschuldigung,
Repeat after me.
Entschuldigung, Entschuldigung.
In English. Excuse me, sorry. In Telugu.
క్షమించండి.
Great. Now let's recap what we've learned.
Hallo,
In English. Hello. In Telugu.
hallo.
Next word.
Guten Morgen,
In English. Good morning. In Telugu.
శుభోదయం.
Next word.
Guten Tag,
In English. Good day. In Telugu.
శుభదినం.
Next word.
Guten Abend,
In English. Good evening. In Telugu.
శుభ సాయంత్రం.
Next word.
Gute Nacht,
In English. Good night. In Telugu.
శుభరాత్రి.
Next word.
Tschüss,
In English. Bye. In Telugu.
వీడ్కోలు.
Next word.
Wie geht's?
In English. How are you? In Telugu.
మీరు ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
Next word.
Danke,
In English. Thank you. In Telugu.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
Next word.
bitte,
In English. Please, you're welcome. In Telugu.
దయచేసి స్వాగతం.
Next word.
Entschuldigung,
In English. Excuse me, sorry. In Telugu.
క్షమించండి.
Congratulations on completing the lesson. If you liked this content, please like, share, and subscribe. For a free PDF of this lesson, please comment below. Please comment which language you want and which word you like. Thank you.